Hey, good morning, everybody.
Show them the road in front of us.
I'll turn you guys around. You guys can see what we're dealing with right now. Welcome to Burlington Winter Storm for like the third or fourth time this year. Yay, crap. All buses, well, school buses are canceled. City buses don't get canceled. I have lost my voice. I have, so I don't sound like this when I talk. I sound like Walter Concrete.
Your voice is a little bit gone.
It's gone.
It's a little bit gone.
It's gone.
You don't have laryngitis, okay?
Probably have strep throat or something.
Stay away from me.
Probably have some stupid throat infection. Yes, Emily.
We don't even have school.
You don't go to school. You don't take the bus, so you have to go to school no matter what. All right, well, we're at the school now. We're just going to drop the kids off. And then I'm going to go buy a big 3,000 gallon liter of cough medicine. Joking, but if they had that, I'd totally buy it. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Minus the kids, because the kids will be at school. You guys going to say bye to everybody for now?
Bye, Mr. Kids.
We'll see you guys soon. Hello, everybody.
The roads are insane!
The roads are really bad here. We just came down to like the LaSalle Park Marina just to see if we could see what the ducks and geese are doing.
They're all covered in snow.
And some of them look like they're actually frozen in the... Looks like some of them are actually frozen.
Do you need help?
Right. We have a shovel in the car, don't we?
I don't have a shovel. I can't really offer that much help. Someone just slid into the ditch.
Yeah. If we had the stuff in the back, we could have helped them, but somebody...
This year we don't have a shovel.
We used to have like a small one that we'd keep in the back. But
There's probably that plastic one, but it wouldn't do any good.
no, I don't think it would. But yeah, we're just
Show the road. Crazy. Where's the yellow line, everybody? I don't know, because it's covered in snow. Oh my goodness.
winter wonderland. It's crazy here. Crazy.
Apparently we're supposed to go. Don't know how to speak. Apparently we're supposed to get more on Friday too.
Yay.
So
I'm done.
Mother Nature does not know what she's doing.
I'm done. I'm done with winter.
It's coming and it's going, and then it comes and it's all gone, and then it comes and it's all gone again, and then
I'm just done with it.
what the heck?
Alright, well, we're gonna make our way back into town, and we'll see you guys soon. Hey, what's up, everybody? Just had we were just sleeping and just woke up and we just had some lunch. Feeling, I don't know, a little better, I guess, I don't know. But just had some soup, some sandwiches, some tea, just basic lunch. We gotta go pick up the girls soon from school, and hopefully when we get them home here they can do some cleaning, pick up some stuff in the living room because they just got toys everywhere. But yeah, just thought I'd come on here quickly, just saying, just taking it easy today, not doing much, just resting, and yeah.
I'm starting to feel a bit gross.
Apparently Kathy's starting to feel pretty gross. But something going around, so yeah, just drinking fluids, eating soups and light stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go soon and get the girls, and yeah, we'll see you guys very soon.
Hi, everybody! Welcome to my dad's channel and his vlogs. I'm going to turn you guys all around. What are you going to say about her? What I have to do is... Oh, no, I don't think it's an hour. And what I'm going to do today, and what I'm McDonald's, and then we're going to get some cheeseburgers. I love that.
Kicking me.
Because we're going to get Hello Kitty burgers.
Did you just say Hello Kitty burgers?
No, burgers.
You're nuts.
Hello Kitty burgers. Hello Kitty burgers.
You're crazy.
Nugget.
Yeah,
Nugget.
Nugget.
Nugget, nugget, nugget.
Do that to the window, please.
Nugget, nugget, nugget. Okay. This is kind of weird.
Did you see Mr. Claus tonight?
No.
Where's
But,
that? Put that down, please.
Mama,
What?
someone came into the library today.
Yeah, who?
Miss Chloe.
Did you see her?
Uh-huh. Every time I'm actually doing that to my tongue, it doesn't even actually do anything. Hey, everybody! My dad's back in the car. 'Cause he's vlogging! And that's where we're going today. We're going past the toys. And look where the pretty house is. Do you love that? Guys, hi everybody. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now.